Alright, this is update video number 7. I just gave the passenger side the same treatment as the driver by removing the valve covers, cleaning the rim really good around the valve cover seal on both the valve cover and the heads. Remove the rocker arms, tighten the heads down a bit, and then replace the rocker arms, torqued all of that down, did a valve adjustment. That brings us back to that's the only change since the last video, so we'll see if it sounds any different. And that's it for this one.